Hello everyone, this is the Dark Soul 5492 and well, it's been a while since haven't posted anything on YouTube, and as you can see I'm very busy. And when I say it's been a while, it's really been a while. For too long, I guess. I'm going to make an unboxing of this. This is my first master grade unboxing video, and it is the 1/100 master grade Rick Diaz. It has a big box, and I bought this kit from a friend who wants to have a budget in buying the 1/100 master grade Unicorn FA. And I'll start opening this box, and I'll do it. I'll just put the box away from the camera. On top is this, I guess, poster of Rick Diaz. Very awesome. In the past years, Bandai is giving these posters, like in every master grade they have like Strike Rouge. Here's the manual. To me it has just very few runners, but it's okay. Looking at this, it's kinda bulky and huge. It has so many weapons. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. And you can see there, I think I'm going to try designing it like that. I'll give a detail of painting those parts too. First here for the parts is this. This one is for the chest, head, side, the skirt, and I'm not yet very familiar with the parts yet. Look at that, the fit, it's really huge. I have here Sword Impulse, Blast Impulse, custom made. Look at that. He is more than half of a 1/144 high grade. Yet it's a huge fit, and I guess I'm going to paint that copper. Just my taste. And here we have the inner frame for the legs. I'm not yet very familiar with all of these parts yet. I guess I'm very sorry for that. I think this for its weapon found in the back, and this one is unsealed. I asked him why, but he was also wondering why it wasn't sealed with a plastic. Oh, look at that. The hand. That is also one huge hand. What I like about mobile armor in master grade kits that they have a tendency of having huge feet, huge hands, and huge body. That's why I really like it. Here for the waist. Wait, this is not the waist. Yeah, it's the waist. Just correct me if I'm wrong. Weapon, and here is the armor of the legs. It's really huge. Really excited to build this kit after I am done doing my thesis. I have a thesis coming on, so it's very hassle. Bottom of the feet and the polycaps. Look at that. Those are also huge polycaps. I kinda like it. I love this kit. Here is the cannon, the chest armor, the chest inner frame, the waist. No, it's just a ball joint. No, it's okay for me, I guess. And some more of the armor. And here, armor of these back and front skirt. Are you sure? Yeah, guess so. I'll just review the manual, the cockpit inside, and what a really nice clear green. Yellow green, I think, and some of the decals. I'll just return this on the box. Oh, sorry. Well, that's just not all of it. My friend also included this, a stand, and I think this logo is from Xeon. I just don't know because I haven't watched the anime, so I have no really idea on what this logo is. Well, it's very thoughtful of him for including this, and that's all. Thank you for watching, and I guess I'll be doing some more reviews because unboxing, I think, because I had 3 more kits that came, and that is all.